How far would you go for 60 seconds of freedom? It's begun. I'm on the airplane. This is the second one of the day. I'm going to Chiang Mai. This is a 1 hour 10-minute journey in this flight. It's a 9:45 flight. I should be there by 10:55. I've landed in Bangkok by 7:30 a.m. today. It was the same DMK airport, so I went from arrivals to departure to board this flight right now. The journey from the airport in Chiang Mai is going to be 1 hour to the drop zone. I'm very excited. That's how far I'm going to travel for those 60 seconds of freedom. After one final flight, having made it to Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is about 45 minutes to 1 hour away. I'm going to the drop zone directly. The jump start at 3 o'clock. We are here at 12 o'clock right now. I've got the car from the airport. Let's do this. One of the reasons why I love Thailand, this entire thing, it's an avocado shake, is for 50 baht. That's what this place looks like, and you can get any kind of food you want here. I'm gonna have some noodles from here. That place looks like this. Very excited to be in Thailand again. I've made it to the drop zone. That's what it looks like. I cannot imagine that I have planned this entire trip in about 12 hours and I've made it here. The flowers are beautiful. The plane is calling me. I'm gonna get manifested as soon as possible.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling.
I've just come back from the jump. That's what the view looks like. I cannot even put it in words what it looked like from the paraglide itself. I could see the entire sun. It's become a little darker now. The flight's also back here. I mean, what amazing times to be alive. We're the last ones to get out of the hangar. It's getting locked now. What a time with Chirag sir.
Oh, Chirag bhai yaar. एक और बारी लो, एक और बारी लो, एक और बारी लो.
चालू है.
So it was great catching up with Sanjay. We are the last guys leaving the drop zone now. It was awesome jumping with Sanjay with that to 2 jumps out of 4
What an
loads.
energy, what an energy, guys.
Let's go.
Let's get this going.
Yeah, let's go.
चांग माई में एक ऐसा कैफ़े जहाँ आप एलिफेंट को खाना खिला सकते हो, एक रिवर देख सकते हो, डॉग्स आपके साथ बैठ के खाना खाएंगे. यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू फीड देम. आई मीन दैट्स फॉर देयर सेफ्टी. नहीं तो वो बीमार हो जाएंगे. कुछ ऐसा व्यू है आगे. कैफ़े कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. और ये मेरे स्काई डाइविंग ड्रॉप जोन से कुछ 15 मिनट की दूरी पे है. प्लान है आज चांग माई घूमने का. वेडनेसडेज को ड्रॉप जोन बंद होता है. सो दैट्स द आइटनरी फॉर टुडे. नेक्स्ट अप वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू द ज़ू में मैंने सुना है बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं. मैं श्रीराचा में एक बार ज़ू गया था, वहाँ पे भी बहुत एनिमल्स थे, बट दिस इज़ अ बिगर एंड अ मोर टूरिस्टी प्लेस चियांग माई. आई मीन कैफ़े में ऐसे एनिमल्स दिख रहे हैं तो ज़ू में तो एक्सपेक्टेशन हाई रहेगा. यहाँ से वो कुछ 40 मिनट्स की दूरी पे है और वहाँ से और 20 मिनट की दूरी पे चियांग माई नाइट मार्केट है. सो दैट्स द आइटनरी. इसके बाद ये 2 पॉइंट्स पे जाने वाले हैं. एंड द रोड्स आर वेरी गुड, द वाइब इज़ वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे हमेशा टेम्परेचर कुछ 25 से 30 डिग्री के आसपास रहता है, जो बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट मुझे जो लगता है इज़ अ कार. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन टेकिंग स्कूटर्स व्हेन आई एम इन थाईलैंड, बट 900 बात में हम लोग को ये गाड़ी मिली है. सो यू कैन सी दी एंटायर प्लेस. इट गेट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल. स्कूटर में थक ज़्यादा जाते हैं और ऐसी गाड़ी 900 बात, ट्रूली वर्थ इट. After driving about 45 minutes, have we reached Chiang Mai Zoo? That's the entrance. The ticket price over here is going to be about 350 baht. I have to figure out parking. I think parking lot is ahead. Yeah, uncle has indicated to go ahead. Right in front of me right now. I'm currently entering the zoo. The ticket was for 350 baht. This is what the entrance looks like. We messed up a little bit because the zoo kind of shuts at around 3:30. I mean the animals are taken inside. So I don't know what all am I going to witness because 3:30 and it's only 15 minutes to 3:30 now. Lion का पहला साइट मिल चुका है. कर रहा हूँ, जूम भी कर रहा हूँ. पहला विजुअल मिल चुका है लायन का. ऐसा लग रहा है जू आना वर्थ इट हो गया है. I'm in the zoo right now and that's the city view ahead of us. This is on a hill, which is what gives it a look like this. Pretty cool. This is like the mountainous part of Thailand and we can see it from everywhere. There were penguins in Thailand, but अभी के लिए वो बंद है क्योंकि वहाँ कंस्ट्रक्शन चालू है. नए घर मिल रहा है पेंगुइन्स को. Sometimes Thailand feels unreal. मुझे पता भी नहीं था आज तक कि राजमा, एग और स्टीम राइस इतना अच्छा जाता है कॉम्बिनेशन. एक रेस्टोरेंट मिला यहाँ पे, ये सुशी बना रहे हैं. यहाँ सुशी बन रही है. 10-10 बात में मिलती है एक सुशी. अंडा मैं खाता हूँ तो एक एग एंड राइस वाली सुशी मैंने खाई. एंड आई एम हैविंग दिस राइट नाउ. I'm also having this blueberry shake that I got from here, this place right behind. This is a lovely place. Everything is very economical. 35 baht का था, उसमें 10 बात और का मैंने उसमें योगर्ट डलवाया. And that's the food right now. I love Thailand. Chiang Mai is really good. It's I mean less touristy. I see much less tourist here. You see more of the locals eating the food where I was before this. It's got all these shops and it's huge.